Hi you guys, I'm here for another unboxing and it's my absolute favorite subscription box. It's the Precuts Quilt Shop and I can't wait to dive in and see what I got this month. So this is the October 2020 box. So let's see what's inside. Okay, you guys, I love this box and I cannot wait to open it. So let's just dive in and see what I got. So let's see. So I get the classic box from them and there's always a brochure that shows pricing of everything that's in the box. So we'll refer to that when we need to. But here's what it looks like. I wonder if I have something missing or it slid back behind. Okay, so good. Nothing's missing. So let's see, what is this and what's that piece that's falling around? So sewing gift set. This is really cute. It looks like antique, like an antique style to it. Perfect for coming up on the holidays, because if it's not something you need, it might be something that you could gift to somebody. So it's the Hemline 5-piece sewing gift set, and it is valued at $22. So in this box, the Precuts Quilt Classic box is $55 plus shipping and handling. So it comes with some embroidery scissors, a magnetic back retractable tape measure. So I think that's what slid down. Ooh, I love that. Okay, so I'm probably definitely going to keep this because I do need a good tape measure that stays up here in my sewing room. A metal thimble, 3 needles, and a glass storage tube. That's adorable. So since I think I'm going to keep it for sure, maybe we'll open it and kind of get a closer look at everything. Sorry for just trying to get into this instead of showing you goodies. Is this a locket? What is this? Oh my gosh, I feel so bad because I can't figure out how to get it in. But there's like a little heart thing up here and I'm thinking it's a locket. But the scissors, the needles, the thimble are all self-explanatory there. I think the scissors are really cute. Oh, that's so a little, then you push the button here to get it to go back. So that's nice that it holds in place where you need it. Get your measurement and then push the button and it comes back. This is really cute too. Maybe nobody would run off with it because it doesn't really look like a tape measure that my kids are used to seeing. This is a really cute set. I'm happy with that. The scissors are a really cute detail. Just not sure if is that a locket or not. What is that? Oh, heart pendant thread cutter. That's adorable. It's a thread cutter. Okay, so that's why, because there's little, I thought it was a way to open it on the side, but I think that's where you cut the thread. So I shouldn't have played with it as much because maybe I would have cut myself. Okay, so far I'm really happy with what's in the box so far. And this pattern on top is adorable. I've been looking for a good pattern for Christmas, and this is one that I will definitely use. So it's Oh Christmas Tree from Fig Tree and Company. And it tells you on the back everything you need. So the quilt size is, it says this fun holiday table topper or wall hanging, and it is 26.5 by 36.5. So definitely more of a wall hanging, or like they said, a table topper. So you need a charm pack, a scrap of brown, background color, it's ivory or off-white, outer border, backing. So you pretty much just need a few things, and it looks like, and this is one of the reasons why Precuts Quilt Shop is my favorite box, because here I have the charm pack, perfect for this pattern. And remember, I said I needed some white. So here is my white on white print for the background. So a half a yard. Can definitely seems like a half a yard here. Okay, so what else did I say I needed for this? So let's see, 3/8 of a yard of ivory and green floral print. Did you see it peeking out of my box? Ivory and green. So I have that for the quilt. And then a red print for the binding. So I'm gonna guess this is it. There is some more fabric in there though. But binding, and that will look great on the binding because it is shown here as such. And then a yard for the back. And this is really pretty. That is a cute pattern on here. So this is Moda fabric. So, and guess what else is in here, you guys? My scrap of brown for the trunk. I love that they included that because actually right now I do have some scraps of brown because I got the holiday Annie's quilt subscription box from their kit clubs, and there is some brown left over from that. That would have been enough, but normally brown is not a color that I like whatsoever, so it's not fabric that I typically buy. So I'm glad that they did include it just in case, and that's why I love this box, because when you get a pattern or something like this and you really love it and you may want to start on it right away, you don't have to go out and get the fabrics. You can just get going if you want. I love that they include, like, a lot of the times everything you need. So this is fun. I'm definitely going to get started on this as soon as possible. Now, with all of that said and how happy I am about this box, because I am super happy, I do want to say the last thing I got in this box is this thread. And I don't know if you can see it well, but it is like a lavender. Okay, so I'm not upset about the thread because I love lavender. This is a color I will end up using because I do a lot of purple quilts. I love purple, but it doesn't go with anything in here. You know, I would have loved if it was a cream or something, which is what I'll probably end up quilting this with, just because of all the background. So I would have loved if it was a more neutral color, even a gray, a light gray I think would have been better. I'm not upset about it. I can always use thread, but I would have loved if it was something that made a little more sense with this box. Oops. Silver, cream, I mean, even a red or green would have made more sense. I wouldn't have used it to quilt this at all, but you know, beggars can't be choosers, right? Everything else is great, so I shouldn't be so nitpicky sometimes. But you know, this is a lot of fabric in this box. I'm super excited about this. I think this is a great box. Let me know in the comments what you think. So I was so excited I didn't go over pricing of each item, so I apologize. So let's see. The Oh Christmas Tree Curated Kit fabric. This is by Christmas Tree 2. So they put all of that fabric kind of bundled together. So the charm pack, the half yard white on white, the 3/8 green floral, the 3/8 binding, and the 1 scrap of brown, they valued that all together at $30. The 1 yard of fabric for the backing, they priced on here separately for $13. The pattern they priced at $9.75, and then the thread is a silk finish 50 weight solid cotton thread, and that is $3.65. So so they said that the box value, when you add all that up plus the shipping cost, which is $9.15, that the box is valued at $87.55. I can definitely see that for all the fabric. I think this sewing gift set is really cute and perfect for coming up to this time of the year. If it's not something you may want yourself, I think it's something you could easily gift. It's super cute. I think the value has always been really good on this box. I also love that they send you coupon codes, which I'm not going to turn and show because you get the coupon codes if you get the subscription. But I'll let you know what they are. So one of them is a 30% off coupon 30% off coupon on a single item. And then there is a 25% off on your total order. And then there is a free shipping on orders over $35 code as well. So I don't know, you guys, this is my favorite box that I get for quilters. I love it. I think this pattern is great. I love that they bundle stuff together so you can just dive right into a project. This has happened a lot for me with this box where I get everything I need for a project. So, and I love how everything goes together. If it isn't one big project that you do, everything seems to go together really nicely. This quilt here is actually one that I got everything I needed for it in one of my boxes. And I love this quilt. It's one of the my favorite quilts that I've done. And the reason why is because they are not colors I would have ever chosen myself for a quilt, ever. Orange is not my color. There's a lot of orange in it. I love green, but orange, when I saw that first, I was like, nope, that quilt is not for me. But I absolutely love how it turned out and how all the colors come together. So that's another reason why I love doing subscription boxes, because I often get fabrics, like with the Fat Quarter Shop one, I posted the video for this month. Not happy with the fabrics at all, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the project at some point, that the pattern that came with that quilted fabric. And I may end up loving it, even though I was really bummed out when I first saw everything. So that's why I love getting these boxes, because I usually tend towards purples and blues when I make quilts, and this kind of gets me outside of my comfort zone. So here I go. Like, I love to blabber on about stuff, but I don't know. I'd love to hear what you think. I think this is a great box. I'm super excited about it. Like, look at all this fabric. Gorgeous fabrics. Super, 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 super happy about it. Love it. Lots of fabric in this box. $55, you guys. Perfect. And then got a pattern. The string that fell somewhere on my floor with thread, not string, thread. Pattern. The cute little gift sewing set. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Hey, you guys. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I do a lot of these unboxings. I do different videos about quilting as well. So if you already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. If you have been thinking about getting this box and this video was helpful, I would love for you to give it a like. Thanks, you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a blessed holiday season. Bye.